Hi friends, in this video presenting important days celebrated in the month of January. 1st January, New Year celebration. It is a beginning of the New Year, so very happy New Year to all the viewers. Fourth January, World Braille Day. Inventor of Braille was Louis Braille. It the language learned by blind persons. January, World War Orphan Day. This day is observed to raise awareness about the children who are affected by the World War. Ninth January, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is also known as NRI Day, and it is celebrated to recognize the contributions of NRIs to our country. January 11th, National Road Safety Week. Road Safety Week is observed to create awareness in the people and children about traffic rules and regulations. January 12th, National Youth Day. National Youth Day is celebrated on the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. January 13th, Lohri. Lohri is a popular Punjabi festival celebrated in the Punjab region. January 14th, Armed Forces Veterans Day. This day is observed to respect and recognize the services rendered by veterans army men. January 15th, Army Day. Army Day is celebrated on 15th January every year in recognition of Field Marshal M. Krippa. Please like this video and share it. Subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for more notification. 19th January, NDRF Raising Day. It means National Disaster Response Force. It is specialized force for the purpose of quick response in disaster situations in the country. 20th January, Guru Gobind Singh Ji Jayanti. Shri Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th Sikh Guru born in Patna. January 24th, National Girl Child Day. The National Girl Child Day is started by the Ministry of Women and Child Development and Government of India. 25th January, National Voters Day. In order to encourage young voters to take part in the political process, Government of India started celebrating January 25th as National Voters Day. January 26th, Republic Day. The Constitution of India came into effect on 26th January 1950. January 30th, Martyrs Day. The day is observed to nation to salute the soldier who lost their lives defending the sovereignty of the nation. January 31st, World Leprosy Day. World Leprosy Day is observed to increase the public awareness of the leprosy disease. Thanks for watching.